Hi beautiful people, thank you for tuning in. My name is Lucy and today I am on my walk and I just came across Scarlet Elf Cups or Ruby Elf Cups. It's really difficult to tell which ones they are. You will need a microscope to really see which ones they are. They are wonderful red color. And they really like very damp areas. I am here by the river and as you can see there is loads of wild garlic, so if you are lucky you might find them by wild garlic. There are various shapes and sizes. As you can see, it's very damp here. I am glad I am wearing my wellies. But yeah, just look around, they really stick out and you can eat them raw. There is some controversial talk about whether they should be eaten raw or not. I haven't tried myself, but I am going to, and if you really want to be on the safe side, you can of course cook them, and I will show you closer look. So this is what they look like. I hope you find it useful and go out and keep looking for these wonderful winter wonders.